Getting traffic using solo ads. Hey there, how's it going today? Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. Hope you're all staying safe. And today I wanted to do a video on solo ads. So what are solo ads? Solo ads are a way where you can get traffic from what is known as a solo ad vendor. And these vendors primarily sell the traffic for digital marketing and affiliate marketing. This would not be good if you were selling dog training products or beauty products. There normally aren't a whole lot of vendors that sell clicks is what they're selling to those type of offers. There again, solo ad vendors are selling you clicks. They're not selling you sales, and they are sending you to what is known as cold traffic. Cold traffic, they rate traffic in cold, warm, and hot. That's how they rate it. Cold traffic is where they have no idea of who you are. They're really at the beginning level of the purchasing process. They're really not even interested in purchasing anything. They've just somehow gotten on your email list, and that's where you need to nurture them and go through the indoctrination period so that they can get to know you, like you, and trust you. Because remember, a solo ad vendor is selling you from his email list, so they have no idea who you are. So you have to let them get to know who you are so they can trust you and like you, and they're more likely to purchase from you. So the process is a little longer when you buy cold traffic from a solo ad vendor. Now, the other thing I want to say about solo ad vendors is there are some shady solo ad vendors. And I'll leave a link to a program where you can look through, and if you're interested in solo ads, you can look through the solo ad vendors. It's called Udemy. I'll leave a link to it in the description. It's called udemy.com. If you want to go right there, you can check out my link in the description or go right there. It doesn't matter to me. So anyway, what I wanted to do is talk about solo ads and getting traffic. Now, when you do buy traffic from a solo ad vendor, they are selling you clicks. They're not selling you sales. So what you want to do is get them on your email list. That is the primary goal when you buy clicks from a solo ad vendor. And there are some shady vendors out there, so you got to be careful. There again, you want to send them to an opt-in form or a lead magnet page. And I've been doing some videos on that in the past, and I'll leave links to that in the description so you can watch those. I've been doing a few videos on email marketing. I have an email marketing certificate from Digital Marketer. It's by Ryan Dice. If you want to go look it up, maybe you want to take the class too. It's a Digital Marketer. It's email marketing certificate. So anyway, I do have that certificate. So I am going to do more on email marketing. The last one I did on email marketing was the indoctrination period. So when you get this cold traffic on your email list, you want to make sure that you nurture them so that they can get to know you, get to like you, and get to trust you. So the indoctrination period is more important with the cold traffic than any other type of traffic. They rate this there again in cold, warm, and hot. Cold traffic is what you're going to get from a solo ad vendor. They don't have any idea who you are. So you got to get them to know you so they can like you and they can trust you. Warm traffic is where they know who you are and they're kind of on the bubble. They're getting closer to the purchase process. And hot traffic is when they've purchased. They're what they call buyer traffic. They're hot. They're ready to buy. They're interested in what you're selling or promoting, and they're ready to buy. So anyway, there's cold, warm, and hot traffic. And what you're going to get from a solo ad vendor is cold traffic. Now remember, they're selling you clicks, they're not selling you sales. So you want to make sure that you write emails. If they give you the opportunity to write emails, they're congruent to your offer. And that's your lead magnet or your opt-in form. So anyway, that's just a little bit on solo ads and getting traffic from solo ad vendors. So anyway, stay safe. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.